Hi, it's so great to see you. We are doing an abdominal burner workout today. So we're gonna lay down on our backs. So this one is gonna be no joke for those abs today, okay? We're gonna kick into every part of our core. So we're gonna start though on our backs. Take an inhale and then exhale. I want you to curl your tailbone and roll up. And yes, we are starting with a single bridge. You're gonna see why, all right? Then curl and roll back down. Once you get to the bottom, inhale, exhale, roll up into your crunch. Reach your fingertips towards your heels, and then roll back down. Okay, curl your tailbone and roll up, because I promised you we're going to get all parts of our abdominal muscles. So we're going to get lower abs, we're going to get our rectus, we're going to get the obliques. And then inhale and exhale, roll, reach your fingertips towards your heels, and then back down. So another thing to keep in mind when we're working the abs, faster isn't always better, okay? Sometimes it depends on what we're doing. But 100 crunches done really, really fast isn't as effective as this workout I'm going to show you right here, doing slow and effective. Okay, hold it here, and what I want you to do is pump your arms and inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're doing a play on Pilates hundreds. And exhale. Keep your crunch high. One more. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, pause. So we're just doing 50 for now. And then roll back down. Nice job. Hug your knees into your chest. And then we're going to find a tabletop position. Okay, so that means knees over your hips, ankles in line with your knees. I want you to lower the right leg down like you're going to dip your toes in water. Okay, lift it back up. And then the other side. And lift. Good job. So you're trying to maintain this position through your spine, okay, and through your abs as you do this. I don't want your back to arch as you lower the leg down. If it does, it just means your abdominal muscles can't control the motion. And then I want you to do a smaller motion. Because again, just like faster isn't always better, bigger isn't always better. If you can't control it, then you're not actually working your abs. You're not working what you think you are. You have to be able to control the motion. Okay, so either keep going here or both legs at the same time, where you lower both and lift both. And again, you'll notice, see, I'm doing a smaller motion. Okay, kind of working my way into it, because that's just what I can control today. Good, and then lift. Let's do 2 more. Good, 1 more. And lift, nice job. Legs reach up towards the ceiling. Arms at your sides again. Inhale, exhale, roll up. And we're gonna do hundreds, our other 50. Inhale and exhale. So either keep your legs here or you can lower them down. Good, pump your arms and breathe. 2 more sets. Last one. Nice job, bring your legs up, roll down, hug your knees in and rock side to side. When you're ready, legs are going to come back up. Hands behind your head. Okay, so my legs are reaching up towards the ceiling. Inhale, exhale, crunch, and then inhale back down. Elbows stay wide. Go to reach your toes up. If your hamstrings are tight and this is a hard position, you can of course be in tabletop. You can just bend them, okay? Last 2. And last one, stay here, and I want reverse crunches. So you're just doing a little lift from your tail. And if this is too much, just go back to the crunches. Or you can do this flat right here without a crunch at all. You have lots of options. Or just take a rest, find child's pose. That's a great option too. 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, roll down. Hug your knees in. Nice job. Okay, so I'm gonna have you roll onto your left side. And you're gonna be on your elbow. So we have your elbow underneath your shoulder and your legs are nice and straight. You can have your feet on top of each other or you can stagger them like so, whatever feels better to you once you see where we're going here. Hand behind your head, so the right hand's behind your head. And I want you to lift up, side plank, and back down. All right, so adjust your elbow as you need to. Nice. Exhale up. Great job. You can always do this with the knees bent, okay? If you need to modify a little bit, knees bent is where you're gonna go. Okay, give me 2 more. And then we're gonna add to it, okay? So lift, stay here, twist down like you're gonna bring your elbow down, and then open. Down, and open. We're going for 6. I know I'm already tired, so if you are 2, I get it, I feel it. Last 2. Last one. Nice job. Lower, come up, and then stretch it over because that just feels good. And we have another side to do. So down on your right elbow. Okay. One foot on top of the other, or again, stagger. Left hand behind your head when you're ready. Nice job. And you'll see I'm giving almost a little pause at the top, okay? Just long enough to get rid of my exhale, to get rid of my breath. You want to be able to maintain a position just long enough that maybe like someone could snap a quick photo, okay? So it shouldn't look like this. You want to be able to control it, even if it means fewer repetitions, that's okay. All right, last one. Hold it here. So we've got a twist. Twist down and open. Whew. Try to keep the hips lifted. You're doing awesome. Last 2. I'm going to say it to myself too. I'm doing awesome. Good. Come down. Bend your knees. Come up. Find a reverse. Stretch. Nice job. Okay, home stretch. Find yourself on all 4s. We're almost there. Hands underneath your shoulders. One foot steps back, curl your toes under, okay? And then the other foot back. So find your plank here. I just can't help myself. Every time I'm on plank, I like to head back to a down dog just for a little stretch. Find my bearings. Come back into plank, and I want you to rock forward on your toes and back. Forward, back. Keep yourself feeling really lifted. Like it's not only the belly button lifting up, I want everything lifting up towards the ceiling. The backs of your heels, the backs of your knees. Last 3. Excuse me. Last one. Nice job. Tap opposite shoulders. So tap, tap. You're lifting a hand. You're trying to keep your body as still as you can. You can see you'll rock a little bit. That's fine. Just try to keep yourself still. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Knees down. Child's pose back. Good. Slither yourself forward so that you find yourself here and then press up, and it's a nice little belly stretch after all of that. Nice job. When you're ready, let's press and walk ourselves back for one more child's pose here. And great job. I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.